How to fix YouTube, something went wrong. So if you're facing a problem with YouTube and if it says that something went wrong, then it might be a sign of the internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you may face that kind of problem. So you need to simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And once you've turned on your Wi-Fi, you can again go back to your home page, and now you won't have that issue. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove your YouTube application from your background, and then you need to open up your settings application on your device. And once you open your settings, scroll down and go for apps. And under your apps, you need to open up your YouTube application on your settings. And after that, you need to go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you go for clear cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove that and open up your Play Store or your App Store. And after opening, go for the search bar and search for YouTube. And once you've searched, here you may have an update option. So if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your YouTube application. And after updating, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix YouTube something went wrong problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.